Welcome back. So today I have a plan to buy a pickup truck. In this garage, a pickup truck is necessary because both of the trucks we have brought, they are just for fun. So we need something practical. Let's do the cold start. So I do inquiries in many dealerships. From that I know the dealerships have pickup trucks. One is 3 pickup trucks and another one is only 1. So we will go to the dealership first with more options. If we get what we want, then we will not go to the second dealership. Otherwise we have to go. So let's see. I think after adding a pickup truck, the garage will be completed. Finally reached. Nice Raptor. This one will be good. But it's a little bit big. This one I don't have any idea. I don't know what the name of the truck. But this one is too basic. And this one I don't want to check it out. This one is good. But this one's spec is good. I am confused. I think this one sitting is good. Feels like sitting on a tank. Let's visit another showroom, then we will compare. Which one should we take? Let's go to the dealership. Now let's see. If we get what we want, then we will go to the workshop. Okay, this is what they are talking about. This is a Toyota Tacoma. I think this one is good. Not too big, not too small. Sitting posture is good. Just the front not looking so attractive. So let's buy this one. This is what we are looking for. Looking good. And after customization, it will look more fabulous. Let's take it to the workshop. Finally, we reached to the workshop. Our truck is ready. Here it is. It becomes too late to customize it. So it's dark now. Right now, you just see a little bit. Tomorrow, I will show you properly in daylight. Okay, something new. There are a total of 3 buttons for opening a trunk. Let's get back to the farmhouse. It's already dark. Once we have to stop for fuel up also. Very good handling. Not scaring it on high speed. Better than from my Ram. We will compare once this with Ram. Which one looks better and which one is more big? The biggest problem with trucks is that they consume a lot of gas. Tomorrow we will get back our house. So finally we reached. Let's park it inside. A little bit big for this parking, but we will manage. If you notice, all cars in this garage are funky. None of them have a simple paint job, but I like it. Now our garage is complete. Like, share, comment, subscribe.